Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable tips and strategies for aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're going to dive into the essential steps of creating a comprehensive business plan. Whether you're starting a new venture or seeking funding for your existing business, a well-crafted business plan is crucial for success. So, let's get started on developing your roadmap to success. Let us take you through the next step in starting a business. How to create a business plan. Your roadmap to success. Step 1 in creating a business plan is defining your goals. What do you want to achieve with your business? Start by setting clear and specific goals that are both realistic and achievable. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the journey. Step 1. Define your goals. Next, you need to identify your target market. Who are your ideal customers? Conduct thorough market research to understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This information will shape your marketing strategies and help you tailor your products or services to meet their demands. Step 2. Identify your target market. Now, it's time to outline your products or services. Describe what you're offering in detail, emphasizing the unique value proposition that sets you apart from competitors. This is your chance to showcase the benefits customers can expect from choosing your business. Step 3. Outline your products or services. Moving on to Step 4, your marketing strategy. How will you reach and attract your target market? Define your marketing channels, such as social media, content marketing, advertising, or partnerships. Include a budget and a timeline for each tactic to ensure effective implementation. Step 4. Develop your marketing strategy. Financial projections are crucial to demonstrate the viability of your business. In Step 5, you'll need to create a detailed financial plan. Estimate your revenue, expenses, and cash flow projections for at least the first 3 years. This will help you understand the financial feasibility of your venture and attract potential investors or lenders. Step 5. Create financial projections. Lastly, Step 6 focuses on operational details. Here, you'll outline the day-to-day operations of your business. Discuss your organizational structure, staffing needs, and key operational processes. This will help you understand the resources required and ensure smooth operations from the start. Step 6. Outline operational details. Congratulations! You've now completed the essential steps to create a comprehensive business plan. Remember, a business plan is not set in stone. It's a dynamic document that should be regularly reviewed and updated as your business evolves. Now that you have your business plan, it's time to put it into action. Implement your strategies, measure your progress, and adapt as needed. And always remember, persistence and determination are key ingredients for entrepreneurial success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.